Alright guys, welcome once again. It's my Francis Adam here. So I want to show you today's daily Cipher so that you go ahead and claim your 1 million coins. So you come to your input tab 1, 2, 3, and then today's code is Satoshi. So the first tab is 3 short tabs 1, 2, 3. The next one is 1 short tab and 1 long tab. The next one is 1 long tab. The next one is 3 long tabs. The next one is 3 short tabs. The next one is 4 short tabs. The next one is 2 short tabs. So you go ahead and take your price. Alright guys, so if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell when you subscribe. Kindly like this video to keep me motivated to be bringing you more updates like this. And if you're interested in joining my Telegram channel, the link is in the description section of this video. Take care of yourself, and until you hear from me again, make your life an exciting adventure. Bye.